Hey there folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something unique to talk about, the bath stone mat. You might be wondering what this is and why you need it in your bathroom. Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how this simple yet amazing product can transform your bathtub experience. First things first, let me show you what we're working with here. This is the bath stone mat, and as you can see, it's made up of high quality natural diatomaceous earth stone. It functions by absorbing water and drying quickly. It's designed to fit perfectly in your restroom next to your bathtub or shower, instantly adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Using this mat is a breeze. Before use, rinse the residual powder on the surface of the foot pad with water and dry it in a ventilated place. Now put the anti-slip mat on the floor first, then the stone mat on top. It provides excellent traction so you can stand and move around safely without worrying about slipping or falling. Now here's the real game changer, the soothing massage effect. The natural stone has a contouring effect on your feet, creating a spa-like experience right at home. It's like getting a foot massage while you shower or bathe. Trust me, it's incredibly relaxing after a long day. One thing I love about this bath mat is how easy it is to clean. Just a quick rinse after each use and you're good to go. It's also naturally resistant to mold and mildew, so you won't have to worry about any funky odors or nasty buildup. The bath stone mat is more than just a bathroom accessory. It's a game changer for your daily routine. It adds safety, comfort, and a touch of style to your home decor. You can also put it where you wash dishes or where your pets eat. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to elevate your self-care routine, I highly recommend giving this product a try. I've included the link in the description below where you can find more information and purchase your very own bath stone mat. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your bath time to the next level. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome reviews and tips. Until next time, happy bathing!